This is a brief introduction of a little game engine I am working on. Of course, there is no shortage of game engines out there, so here's my justification of creating another one. I am a professional software developer, but game development is mostly a hobby for me. Sometimes I participate in game jams, or just do some experiments in my free time. Here's what those works usually look like. Clearly, any game engine created in the past 30 or so years capable of running games like that. But the experience may not be particularly tailored for those types of projects. When an engine is capable of running something like Call of Duty and at the same time something like a creation of mine, the latter is usually just an afterthought. I wanted a game engine that is designed specifically for pixel-based games. But I couldn't find one that checks all of my boxes. The big ones are being free and open source, support as many platforms as possible, development experience on Linux must be good, strongly typed programming language. One notable example of game engines in this niche is Pico 8. I think it is an awesome piece of software, but it is too close and restrictive for my needs. So allow me to introduce you to RES. And don't ask me what RES stands for, I don't know. In the next part of this video I will demonstrate what it looks like to work with this engine. I don't want to bore you with many details and feature descriptions, in this video at least, just showing you how it looks like to create something with this engine. And just a few things to mention to clarify some things that are happening on the screen. The engine comes with a CLI tool and I will be using it to bootstrap and run the project. I'm using Aseprite to create some art for my game. Aseprite files can be used as the source of sprites as is, without conversion. I'm using the slice tool to create multiple sprites in a single Aseprite file. Afterward, I will save the file to the ROM directory in my project, and the sprites will be immediately available in my game. I will also save the palette from this file to the ROM directory, so the game will be using exactly the same palette. And from here I will be just coding, and let's see how it goes in a few minutes. And while I'm on it, let's address the elephant in the room. RES is written in Hex. I believe it is the perfect choice for a project like this. For one, Hex is just a neat programming language with some cool features, and I enjoy using it a lot. But also with the Hex compiler, the code written in Hex can be easily transpiled to other programming languages, such as JavaScript, C#, Java, Python, and some others. With the platform-agnostic nature of RES, this allows it to run on almost anything. With JavaScript it can run in browsers, and it can run on top of any game engine that supports languages Hex can be transpiled to. And Hex itself is very easy to learn if you're already familiar with languages such as C#, Java or JavaScript. Now, there is nothing particularly special about the code I'm writing here. Definitely not the prettiest nor the most efficient code, but it serves the purpose of a quick demonstration. I will be done in a couple of minutes, so just bear with me. And here's the result. So here you have it. Not the most informative video, I know, just wanted to put the information out there. Check the description box for the link to the GitHub page. Also, you can subscribe to this channel for the updates. Thank you for watching, bye.